Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about featured questions in Power BI service for our dashboards. So I've got this I'm already logged into my Power BI service, and we'll learn to set standard questions for Q&A for our Power BI dashboard. So let's start. I'll open this dashboard. I've got a configure dashboard. I'll just open this, and you can see I've got a visual and I can ask questions here. So I can type, like, maybe it's already giving me examples like total order quantity, or average calendar semester, or dim product sorted by style. So let's say if I click on this, what happens? And it creates these visuals for me, and I can say, sales by year or something like that. So I can say sales by order year, and it creates these different visualizations for us. But let's say I want to prompt or give users already specified or pre-specified questions which they can click and get the answers. How do we do that? So I'll just exit Q&A for now, and I'll go to my workspaces, and I know that it uses an underlying data set. So I'll just go to my workspace, and I'll go to datasets, and I know that it uses this data set called configure dashboard Power BI. So I'll go to this more options and click on settings. And when I click on settings, I've got this featured Q&A question. So I can add a question. So I'll just add one called, say, sales by year. And then I'll add another question called sales by, and I'll add another one, sales by product category. And I'll just click apply, and let's go back to my workspace, and we'll go to this dashboard called configure dashboard again, and we'll go into this Q&A. So we'll just select this and hit, and you can see it's giving me my so I can click on show all suggestions, and it'll give me the other questions it was giving as well. So let's say I can click sales by product category here, and it's giving me the visualization, and I can go back and again sales by product, and it's giving me a different set of answers. So what I've essentially done is I've pre-specified, or I've specified some of the commonly asked questions. You can call them FAQs if you want, and I've added them as a specified Q&A or featured questions and answers for that particular dashboard. And any dashboard that uses its data set will have these questions available to it. So in this video, we've learned how to set the featured questions and answers for or pre-specified questions and answers for a Power BI dashboard. I hope you find this feature useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.